When they talk say Cain wey dey take pursue first wife, na im dey go use take pursue second wife if care is not taken. If you as a man or as a woman, you no dey pay attention to details, you no dey pay attention to signs wey you dey see for relationship, anything wey later come happen, na you use your head take buy am o. If you reason am say e go change, na im make you wan enter. If you enter, e go later worse. Because as e take be now like dis, omo, e don finally scatter. The display wey dem display yesterday was just but the beginning between Natasha, Honorable Natasha Osorwaru Orobusa, and Two-Face Idibia. Dat scatter wey dey scatter the place, dey later arrange am again. This time around, they say na devil handwork, because if nonsense thing happen, na devil dey always call make e come judge the matter. My beautiful and amazing people, make una come hear this matter wey dey for ground. Before I go cap una the legit, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour when I take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, una face show, una shoe shine. Una own no go ever feel spoil, and una no go ever see the one wey go make una start the wrong kitty, start the wrong kata. For inside life, by the special grace of God Almighty. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remember una humble girl Gifted Gist. That me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name to beg una, make una dey help us dey subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we will drop latest ogbonge tori like this. Hey. My beautiful and amazing people, the matter wey dey ground, e no suppose be laughing matter o. But the matter, e get as e dey shortalize me, because e shortalize me in the sense that Natasha no dey hear. She no dey gree pay attention. She no wan gree at all say wetin happen to Mr. A fit happen to Mr. B. E be like say overconfident dey worry Natasha. She so much believe say the puna wey she carry, e be like say wetin trust and wonders dey do dey for inside, wey go make the mechanic say e no go do anyhow with am. Whereas e don forget say they dey talk am say the beautiful ones are not yet born. When they talk am, so many people dey talk say no now. What about the ones wey dem dey now? Omo, they are still beautiful. In Two-Face own case, beautiful ones are not yet born. And he say he wan test ogbono soup, come also test egusi soup, test vegetable. Say e no go make sense make him dey for one soup dey run about. Say because if soup don sleep, e dey get as in taste dey take be. My people, no be small matter o, dey this ground o. Carry your chair o, make una consider, make una hear this long coaster ride discussion. This matter e wear concon shoe. E shortalize me. Una no talk say anywhere wey Two-Face dey go, Natasha dey always dey follow am. Wey make the matter as e boss for information center, I was like, Two-Face and Natasha again. If na Annie own case, based on the travel matter, it is a different one entirely, because Annie was in the picture. So e no shock me if Two-Face wan go journey because of Annie. But this very one wey happen like this, e shock me. Say, hey, wetin Two-Face say in dey fine. This in federal government wetin dey sup. E no fit just chop one, sit down one place. Now that very Annie journey matter, na im come reveal a lot of things. So e come make Natasha start dey do investigation. As honorable wey she be, she get her money, she get everything to investigate if she wan investigate. And as for the close marking wey she dey give Two-Face, that's why they say no matter how you give, whether children or whether your spouse, so no matter how you give am close marking, anyone wey wan still cheat go still cheat. Even under your nose, e go do am and nothing go happen. Now as that one burst, wey she find the ticket wey im buy for Annie hand for inside im bag. Dem scatter the house to do things. E tear the ticket, say he's not going anywhere. They settle that one. But you see this one, hey, even the people wey dey around Two-Face, na dem just dey tell Natasha say, na devil handwork, na devil handwork. Na devil handwork na we dey hear since yesterday till today like this. Na dem still dey shout am. How e take be devil handwork, na I never still know. Guys, make una dey pay at ten tion so that una go chook mouth for inside this matter o. Whether na devil manipulation, whether na Two-Face, na him say no, say im cassava no go sit down one place, so that una go get wetin una go judge o. They say all this club wey Two-Face dey go up and down, him and Natasha. They dey go together o, they dey always dey together o, they dey go peace together o, they dey dance together o, they dey drink together o, they do things together o. But the way and manner wey Two-Face take go get another lady for there, wey collect im number, wey dem exchange number, so say dem exchange where they go do the do. Na that one na still dey wonder me. E still dey shock me. Say, hey, so with all the close marking, e still get mind go do the do with another person. My people, na as the matter take dey go, na dem say Natasha come, you know say she dey always pick Two-Face call. If you call am to pick call, e dey very easy. Even if phone dey for password or anything, e dey easy. Sometimes Two-Face sef go comot for house leave phone because im know talk say Natasha no go touch am. But because Natasha, e be like say she don dey suspect one or two according to the information. Whether she be don dey suspect one or two, na so she take put eye, take catch the password of the phone of Two-Face. She catch am finish, she can't leave am. As usual, night vigil, once it is night, na know say na im women dey go. Instead of to pray for their men, they say women go dey pray, go dey search phone according to men. They say women no dey sleep for night. Time wey dey reach, wey they suppose sleep, they go use am go dey check phone. Time wey go reach to pray, they go use am go dey search man phone. Na man wey no dey trustworthy, na dey do sleepless nights, they go dey search im phone. Shebi they say Annie, her own too much. Her own, she no dey hear. Her own too much. Annie no need to come tell us anything again o. The secret wey we dey wait to hear from Annie, na im dey review for us one after the other so. Wetin join Annie and Two-Face wey they say they no do again, na im dey come out one after the other so. So at the end of the drama, una go come agree with me say na all the truth wey we been dey wait all the while na im surface like this. Say we no need make Queen Annie come tell us anything again concerning Two-Face and wetin transpire between them, because na the exposure na im be this one, e no pass this one. Now na they say Natasha come target Two-Face according to the information. When they go their wakama wey they go do finish, then take the one wey they wan take finish. Two-Face come sleep, dey snore, while operation dey go on. Natasha wey no trust Two-Face come go search im phone. As e be say she don get the password for head, dey wait for the appropriate time. As im don do this one wey she catch am with Annie matter red-handed so, trust no come dey again. Na she go do vigilante. Night do, e do the work wey e gat to do. Na they say as he search the phone, maybe Two-Face, if the lady dey send am message, im dey delete am, or im tell the lady say im phone dey always dey for a woman hand or something. According to Natasha, based on wetin she see for the phone, say the girl come dey tell am say, hope you are coming. When are you coming? Because this time around, it's not going to be one round. I'm going to give it to you back to back. They say na that one na scatter Natasha head. Na that one scatter her dada. Come make her say lie to lie today na today. Shebi una dey talk say Annie too overdo. Una never cheat chon-chin o. Una never cheat chon-chin. Na that no be only one again. Say she go give am back to back. Na im be the one wey scatter her dada. Funny enough, e be like say Two-Face never see am for him to delete am, because I so much believe say, because according to the information, say na only hello, hi, na only the girl chat na im dey for the phone. They never Two-Face never reply to the girl before. Na the girl na only her dey send message. Maybe im dey reply, dey delete am, who knows? And maybe this very one now being the last message, who knows whether e just dey land, even him never see am, wey Natasha go see am so. My people, they say no be small thing o. You na see that sleep and that snoring hon wey im dey do. No be there wey e finish o. Oga got to wake up, im eye got to clear, hangover got to clean comot for im eye like person wey bin no sleep. I no gree, they say na im tear pants. Na she start o. Who be this person and what is this person doing on your phone? How una take go do the first time and wetin transpired, how you take get her number? They say Two-Face say e start dey vex, dey para, say why on earth would Natasha go to his private life, go im phone, go dey search im phone. He wan come put that one as part of discussion based on say maybe na how e dey always dey do with Annie be that. They give Annie authority say wetin carry her go im phone. Why would she go to his phone? Who told her to go to his phone? This one, that one. How dare her? Na im dey say Natasha talk say if im try ask her that kind question again, say wetin happen for 1960 e go repeat itself. Say as she dey ask am this question, make im dey answer. If not, say she go create scene for this place. Two-Face see say Natasha dey joke. Im think say the matter e no reach wey Natasha go shout. Im still dey right. Im go still dey talk. Nothing go happen. E no know talk say Natasha na barbed wire. If you do anyhow, e go tear you. Na here they say, she say e go answer, abi e no go answer. They say Two-Face say, why on earth would she go to his phone? Im still dey form right. Say anything wey she see for inside, na she sabi. Say e no send her go im phone and make she no ever for her life try this thing again. Na they say Natasha start to jack am for clothes, start dey shout, whoa, like say Two-Face touch her. He start dey shout like say Two-Face touch her, because according to the information, say Two-Face e no touch her o. Na she touch her now, come dey shout. People wey dey around Two-Face, wey dey around the house, come out, come start dey beg. Wetin happen? They separate fight. They say, na Natasha tell them say, make they ask their oga, make they ask Two-Face wetin another girl conversation they do for im phone. Wetin im dey converse. So im dey leave her despite the close mark and everything wey they follow, he still leave her go knack another woman. How dare him? How dare him? Like they say, Two-Face say, he still dey insist. Say lie, she no get right to go in phone. Na they say Natasha for public there, without fear, say people dey o, they no go respect my husband. If they no go respect my boyfriend, my about to be husband, if I do this one. Na they say she hold am for shirt, start dey drag am, say make him kpai her. Say he is ungrateful. He is this, he is that. Say with all the things wey she don tell her parents concerning Two-Face, una don see say the Igbenidians, dem dey very, very right concerning wetin they talk, say they no want any drama between Natasha and Two-Face, wey go come drag their name to the mud. Say all the signs wey Annie see, wey make her comot, say Natasha don try focus, make she see all those signs, work on them. But Natasha open mouth tell them say Two-Face, he is not like that. Say make them no mind wetin people dey talk for social media. Two-Face is a good person. All those things wey they talk about na lie all. for person wey don get 7 children for 3 different women, 2 baby mama, 1 wife, 1 ex-wife. You say no, wetin dey talk about am na lie. On top of how many concubine? Na Two-Face be real Solomon of our time. Say wetin she dey find, she say no, make dem forget about that one. They never even enter, because if to say the Egbenidians dem gree, maybe by now we for don near to do the wedding. But because the Egbenidians say dem give dem time, make dem go watch their self, make dem go dey very sure say dem wan really do. If not, Natasha for don enter inside oh. She for don turn to full-time wife oh. This one now, whether e for settle or e for no settle, na only God na im know. But now everybody dey shout na devil handwork. Na devil handwork. It's not like that. It is not like that. According to the information, say Two-Face, true, e go do the do with another woman with the slightest opportunity wey im get. And say na for club where dem go. For Natasha very korokoro eye. This one no be say na go come matter. For Natasha very before, na Two-Face do this one. Not to come talk of person wey go leave am anytime wey be say she dey leave am, make him go do wetin im wan do, come back. But Natasha wey dey give am close mark, e still leave her go do wetin e wan do, come back. Where then the trust come dey? Where is the trust? Na wow. Make she dey observe signs to avoid wetin happen for 1960 oh. Nobody dey pray make e sour, make e bad. But if you no observe, if you no watch, wetin happen before go still happen again. Nobody dey pray for bad thing. Because this one wey be say Natasha come hold Two-Face, na people come help Two-Face comot im hand for Natasha body, comot Natasha hand for Two-Face body. Say e don do. Say na devil's handwork. Say wetin happen before, e no go repeat itself. Before you know, she don carry the girl number, delete am comot for her phone, for im phone. Don delete the conversation, delete everything. But for how long you wan take dey do all this one as a woman? Annie do am, she tire, na make you see say she give up like this so. For how long you wan take dey do am? And wetin you think say e be the gain? No be to just give yourself the pre. Na all these things go make you go reason and say, make I go take druggy. Even though una know say the other time na the mama pack dem go rehab, as they come back, dem change small. We never hear say Natasha don dress go dey open body, open her federal government for people. At least to the glory of God, 2 days we never hear that update. But na this kind thing go make her say, kai, she don see some kind thing. Make she take wetin go calm her nerves. Before you know, she go enter druggy again. Is it not too much? What is all this? My people, na wow. This one dey talk say, when you talk say, I am tired, he is worse. The one wey you go come go enter, no be him go worse pass. Na be this one so. Na be this one wey dey happen like this so. But the Puna mechanic don give us assurance, say him be Puna mechanic, he can handle it. Na him yarn wetin him yarn. Nobody hack him account. So for that reason, him go handle any obstacle, any challenges. Say Natasha na okra, na him plant her. At any given time, him go bring down the okra. I pray may no be the okra finally bring down the owner. Make it be seen that the owner na bring down the okra. Because if na the okra later bring down the owner, he go choke oh. He go choke. He no get as he won't be. My people, make una come chook mouth for inside this one oh. Wetin una dey think for this matter? If Two-Face at this point can still not keep in federal government allegedly for where he suppose keep am, he still dey cheat on person wey be say he dey with am 247 every 2 seconds they dey together. He still look for a way go do the one wey he wan do. Then wetin una no go give Annie accolade say she over try? Say which woman fit bear that one? My people, no be small thing oh. Make una help us chook mouth for this one. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us dey share, dey like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.